Yo, what's up? How you doing? I just arrived to the Eco Beach in Canggu, and today's vlog will be all about the Canggu, how it looks Canggu at morning time. Because it's so many surfers, so many cafes and everything. Today we are focused about the life on the beach, on the Eco Beach. There's so many surfers. I will fly around. I took my drone. Also, before I start today's vlog, I would like to have a favor to you guys. I noticed as 160,000 people watched our videos last month, but only 35% of this number subscribe to our channel. So this is free, cost you nothing. It takes you 1 or 2 seconds maximum. Just hit the red button over there, subscribe, and thank you so much appreciate that. So that's how it looks, the live in Eco Beach. It's about 9:30 at morning today, and it's super beautiful sunny day. As you can see, the sky is so blue and even not so windy, but the waves are quite big. I need to find a space somewhere where it's shade so I can set up my drone. However, check this out, how beautiful this area at morning today. So many surfers, many bars are just opening. I want to have a coffee in one place not so far away from here. Check this out, it's just super cool. So I decided I want to have a coffee today in Brisa, which is over there. Meanwhile, I'm gonna show you around how it looks situation. As you can see, this area is super famous for the surfers and dogs, normal thing. And it's beautiful weather today. Check this out. Oh, surfers. It's really cool vibe over here. And also this area is famous from the surfing. Also, so many young people who decide to come to Bali, they choosing to live somewhere in this area in Canggu, Eco Beach or Berava. And basically Canggu, Eco Beach, Berava areas, this is the biggest hype in Bali through the young people like me. I don't live in Canggu, however, many of people like me, and older also newcomers who decide to come to Bali for the first time or to stay longer, like month, 2, 6 months. They choosing to stay in Canggu, in this area. And we make already 2 vlogs about that, but usually in the city center and residential area. Today will be about the how it looks on the beach. So many surfers. Surfing is number 1. Digital nomad community, very big community of digital nomads, the people who work on laptops and stuff like this. They have a job in their own country, they are just living over here. So that's the reason number 2. Also, you can meet some nice girls over here, as you can see. Always good to come to see how's the life in Canggu. So many surfers. It's already, like I said, almost 10 o'clock, so it's going to be hot. And the people already coming back, as you can see. The reason number 2 why so many people deciding to come and live in Canggu is because of the many places like special cafes, special co-working spaces where is the fast internet and very good environment for working is exactly here in Canggu. So it's actually quite a great place to live and stay here in Canggu for someone young. So for someone who is busy in their life, I'm not sure about the retired or about chilling only, like peaceful holiday. It can be very loud here, so many loud bikes, and also it's quite busy. Even right now it's quite busy during current conditions. So I'm not sure if it's the best place for the relax, but for the busy life, for the party, for the having a surf every morning, having a good time and having a good internet, co-working space, stuff like this is definitely a great place to use. We should consider to live in Canggu in Echo or Bavaria. I'm waiting this place. This is very nice place. I'm waiting till it's gonna open at 10. It's still closed. I wanna have a coffee there and probably fly drone overlooking the surfers. Can you hear the sound of the Indian Ocean at morning in Canggu? Look at the surfers. Oh, they missed out. But as you can see, it's actually at morning in Canggu is very peaceful life. Everything is slow. Everybody just chilling, having breakfasts, or just watching the surfers. Because even if you don't surf like me, it's always a good idea to come here and just watch the surfers. Also, the purpose of making this video today is about, after few videos what we post about life in Canggu, how is it? Some people contact us and ask us if Canggu is good idea, good place to live. Because I'm newcomer, I never been in Bali, or I've been only for holidays for 7 days, 2 weeks, and I'm thinking to stay for 1-2 months, something like that. And if people looking that in the internet, in Google, in YouTube, everybody's saying about Canggu. Well, obviously Canggu now is the most busiest area in Bali. I have to say that's totally true. To compare to the long time ago, everybody go to Kuta or Legian. Now Kuta and Legian is totally not exist almost. I mean, it's just simply quiet. So Canggu is definitely very good idea if you're looking for life. If you're looking just for peaceful life, like me, you should consider maybe a Sanur. But if you're looking for active life, for the surfing, for the party, for the digital nomads community, Canggu is the best. Also, as you can see over here, the Canggu is not only for young people, it's also for the elderly people. It's also suitable. Of course, it just depends what you are expecting from the place where you stay. Many elderly people also, they love to party, they love to surf. It's not like only for youngsters, like for the kids. No, it's for everyone. So this is how it looks like in Canggu. Also here one mom teaching the daughter how to surf in Canggu. Super nice, super cool, have to say. Very nice vibes. And this is one of the very beautiful places here in Canggu. It's called Brisa. It's not any kind of paid endorsement. They will never invite you to do it anyway, so forget about that, guys. However, it's a beautiful place. I will show you around how it looks situation, because this is also the reason why many people like Canggu, because places like this. Unfortunately, in Sanur we don't have places like this. Maybe one day, or maybe better if we don't have it like this actually. So, like I said, also elderly surfers in Canggu. So it's not only for young people. And this is how it looks, the beautiful place. This is the, well, beach club, restaurant, cafe. Sometimes they have a parties over here also. Waiting for my coffee. That's how it looks, the situation. Surfers walking around, especially at morning time. And some other girls everywhere around. So that's how it looks. Beautiful place of La Brisa. Check this out. They also have a swimming pool. This is just open, so they still cleaning stuff like this. But he was here a few months ago making vlog at night. It's also beautiful. Looks so orange, so nice. But that's how it looks at morning. And also they have a pool and the beautiful palm trees everywhere around, and the ocean view and the constructions of building like this one, which is super cool. Like I said one more time, this is not any kind of paid endorsement, please guys. I'm just making video every single day, so it's just normal as I will show you the places what I like. Nobody giving me anything for free, or what is more, some people unfortunately thinking as I getting paid for that, not single even cent. So please, little bit more realistic. That's how it look. Very nice. Can you hear the sound of the ocean everywhere? This is very nice. Also the waves here are high to compare to Sanur. The waves are actually better here for the middle advanced surfers. I'm not sure about the professional. Professional surfers mostly like to surf in Uluwatu, but Uluwatu is definitely only for professional surfers already. And Kuta obviously is good for learners, amateurs. However, all schools are closed right now. And the beautiful surfer girl. They also have a second pool over here. Now it's just somebody is walking over there, but usually afternoon is, and in normal conditions this place is full packed of people. Sometimes you cannot even get a place to sit. So that's how it looks situation. Obviously it's morning time and current situation is little bit different. Usually they also have minimum spend. Now it's no minimum spend at all, at least not at morning. And this is over there is the Pererenan beach. Also I make the vlog over there. Where is the statue? Okay, I can see my coconut and coffee arrived. Oh, the lady already went, but check this out. That's today's my drink. Fresh young coconut cappuccino, of course, and beautiful view for the surfers. Okay, just finishing my drinks, coffee, coconut, watching the surfers, and that's how it looks basically the situation in Canggu. I hope so you enjoyed today's vlog and you got some information. Is Canggu good for you or not? Unfortunately Winnie is today not with me because she's working, and it's like I said, it's just after 10:30 at morning right now. I have to go home. Also, if you are coming here at morning, you can have a beautiful vibes and the pool almost for yourself, with the overlooking the ocean and these coconut trees. It's just amazing. It's like a paradise somehow. It's super cool. So comment below, what do you think? Is Canggu good for you or not? Would you like to live here, or maybe just holidays? Because if for holidays, I think it's a great place for longer stay. Not sure about that, not for me. Comment below, what do you think? What is your thoughts about Canggu? And tomorrow is another day, new vlog every single day, 4 p.m. Don't forget to, you know what, and see you tomorrow. See ya, take care.